Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious Cajun Fettuccine Alfredo. So let's get started with the video. Begin by preparing your ingredients. Dice a green bell pepper, a red bell pepper, and 1 onion. Then slice 2 andouille sausages and peel and devein as many shrimp as you'd like in your pasta. Once you've finished preparing your ingredients, you can begin making your pasta. In a large pot of water, add salt. Then bring the pot of water to a boil. When your water starts boiling, add your fettuccine noodles and cook them for however long it says to on the box. Don't forget to save some pasta water for later. Next, in a large pan over medium heat, add butter. Once your butter has melted, add your shrimp. Then season your shrimp. I season my shrimp with pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, Cajun seasoning, and paprika. After you've seasoned your shrimp, sauté them for about 4 to 5 minutes or until they have cooked. Once you finish cooking your shrimp, take them out of the pan. Then add your sausage. Cook your sausage for about 5 minutes. When you're finished, take your sausage out of the pan. Next, add a half a cup of your diced bell peppers and a half a cup of onions. Sauté your veggies for about 5 minutes. After sautéing your veggies, add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Cook everything together for about 1 minute and then add a half a cup of chicken broth. After adding your chicken broth, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter has melted, add 2 cups of heavy cream. Mix everything together and bring your sauce to a simmer. Cook your sauce for about 3 to 4 minutes or until it starts to become thick. Once your sauce starts to become thick, add a half a cup of Parmesan cheese. Mix in your cheese and then add a half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, and 1/4 or 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. It really depends on how spicy you want your pasta. Mix your seasonings into the sauce and then add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of parsley, and 1/4 cup of your pasta water. Mix everything together until well combined, and then add your sausage and your fettuccine noodles. Mix your noodles into the sauce until they are well coated. Once you've added your noodles, reduce your heat to low. When you're finished, you can go ahead and plate everything up. And this is the finished result. You can add your shrimp in your pasta when you're mixing in your noodles, or you can add it on top like I did. I also added some extra Parmesan cheese, parsley, and red pepper flakes on top of my pasta. The Cajun fettuccine tasted great. The recipe is really easy and quick, so I totally recommend giving it a try. Out of nowhere, I started craving Cajun pasta, so I decided to make this, and I'm really glad I did because it tasted great. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye! Hello, these are the outtakes. So I filmed myself making brown butter Rice Krispie treats, but I didn't really know what to do with the footage, so I'm just gonna put it here. By the way, the ingredients and measurements for the Rice Krispie treats will be down in the description as well. Okay, so this is really the end of the video. Thanks for watching, bye!